Pop with Michael Scott, played by Steve Carell, and he's pretty swell. We got Rainn Wilson, and he played Shrew. He got militant in his mustard suit. We love Jim, and which one's Pam, played by John Krasinski, and Jenna Fishy. We moved to accounting with Oscar, but he's not really gay. And Brian with his number Clevin, and Angela Kinsey, who's 3'11". 1, 2, 3. Phyllis Smith was married to a Vance Stanley with his eyes at half-mast. And BJ and Mindy fought all the time, but David Denman, who played Roy, just that one time with Jim, if I recall. Oh wait. We got Ed Helms with his banjo, and Holly Flax wearing sandals, and